What's up everyone? I am Brian, and if you've been tuning in, you know it's been a lot of videos about my new Jeep and Car Week recently, but today we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go back to something that is near and dear to my heart, and that is sneakers. And I have here something from End Clothing. It's actually a collaboration. End is based out of the UK, and they actually have a pair of Salomon shoes, XT6s, that they collaborated with Salomon on. These are actual End shoes, and this is my first pair of Salomons ever. I am really excited because when I saw these available, the colorway looked absolutely amazing, and oh my gosh, I am seeing it for the first time here. Let's get these out. I think this is the best XT6 colorway that I have seen. Certainly in photos it was, and seeing it in person, these are absolutely just gorgeous. So I saw the image of these for an End launch. I didn't even know what they were, but they called them the Dark Truffle. And since I've got the Jeep and I'm going off-road, I need me a good pair of trail shoes. But you know, I also like to look stylish, and these are basically a kind of hybrid lifestyle trail shoe. These are incredibly popular, the XT6, and a dark truffle colorway where you've got just the black and the hints of kind of beige and tan, borderline gold. I was kind of hoping there'd be a little bit of gold, like just straight gold that pops off of here. There isn't any actual gold, but contrasted against the black, it kind of just looks like this really sophisticated black gold. I mean, dark truffle, that's like very sophisticated. And you gotta check out this insole. This insole is amazing. It's like black truffle flakes on the insole. Incredible, incredible nice touch. I think for the purposes of taking my Jeep out, hitting the trails, and having a stylish shoe to wear while hiking, these absolutely fit the bill. I am super excited to get these on feet and to wear them around, but the question that I've got, and this was an open question I had when I was trying to pick this shoe, is the sizing. I've heard these shoes run very narrow, but they're also long. I was tempted to size up. I ended up going true to size. I got an 11.5, and I am an 11.5. So I'm gonna have to slap these on feet and see what I actually think. But in terms of the shoe itself, colorway wise, butter. I love these. The colorway is absolutely incredible. The shoe itself, from a styling perspective, I don't know what I expected. I had never felt one of these in hand before. Quality on the shoe, on the sole, and the midsole feels very solid. The toe area is like a very weatherproof type of kind of rubber feeling material, like a rubber coating almost. I thought that these kind of triangles that go in were gonna be something more maybe. I didn't know if they were gonna be kind of an injection molded plastic. They're just kind of the same rubber in a different color. Nothing wrong with it. The tongue area, I've seen some other XT6 colorways where this is kind of rainbow pattern here. On these, it actually matches the colorway of the rest of the shoe, and I personally really like that touch. Laces with the quick lace, love that, just pull, cinch. I love me some kind of tongue-based shoes or quick lace. I mean, I like to be able to get in and out of my shoes very efficiently. I think these are gonna be very good for that. So, overall, incredibly happy with this purchase. I think it would make a great trail shoe just in general, but with this colorway, it just puts it completely over the top. So I'm gonna get these on feet. We're gonna check into the sizing. I'm gonna get you some nice B-roll of this shoe up close. Other than that, I think that's all I've got for this one. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have more car week footage. I just got a couple pairs of the new Union Jordan 1. So we'll make a video of that when those get here. All right, some quick closing thoughts to wrap up this shoe. The sizing, very pleasantly surprised. Again, I'm an 11.5. I ordered an 11.5. I had heard this shoe is narrow. I do like a snug fit, but just not actually so narrow my foot can't fit in it. I don't know if I have wide feet or not. I personally love the fit on these, however. I think they're snug without being obnoxious, and the length is perfect. So for me, true to size worked out very, very well. Last little bits, the sole is ridiculously sticky. I kind of wiped the floor before coming in, but I mean, it's picked up all the little pieces of felt just from walking back and forth a little bit, and you can feel it when you pick your foot up. You can feel the sole just kind of sticking to the ground. I think that'll probably make for a really good trail shoe. I'm sure that, you know, a little layer of dust and that stickiness will disappear. The box is kind of interesting. I forgot to show this. So we have XT6 foraging and clothing. Have a look right there. And then inside it says limited edition. It's probably just a packaging thing, but hey, you know, it looks just like any other box. I'm not sure why this box itself would be limited, but there you go. The dark truffle. Really, really like this shoe. For my first Salomon, I think I hit a home run. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. You like this shoe? Do you like the XT6? I'd love to hear from you. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one soon.